Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your Canon printer MG3660 into a cableless setup mode. So this Canon printer here comes with two modes. You can set up using a USB cable, or you can set up wirelessly through the Wi-Fi communication signal. So first I'm just going to press on the power button to turn it on. Now once the light start flashing green, then you can press on the Wi-Fi button. You can press on the color button and then the Wi-Fi button, and the light should go to blue, flashing blue. Now if it is not flashing in blue, and if it is a steady blue, then you will not be able to connect. As you can see right here, I cannot detect the Canon Wi-Fi. So what we need to do is again press and hold into that, and then we're going to wait for the green light to flash, then press on color, then press on Wi-Fi, and you can see the light will start to blink right there. So I'm zooming right in so you can see. Once it is start blinking, you can see on my device I should be able to detect the Canon printer. If it does not show up on your mobile device, you might need to wait for a while or turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. So here it is. Now it is showing on my iPhone right here, Canon. So I can tap on it to connect to the Wi-Fi on the Canon printer. Now this Wi-Fi is only a temporary Wi-Fi connection. It is turned on so that we can set up the device to a Wi-Fi router or a Wi-Fi direct. So with Wi-Fi direct, you will be able to print directly from your device to the printer without the need to use a Wi-Fi router. Now you can also set up your Canon printer to connect to your home Wi-Fi router so that you can send the print from your mobile phone through to your printer. So those are the steps how you can put your Canon printer into a cableless setup or through a USB cable setup. So after that, you can use the app to set up. So you can use the Canon app. So this is the Canon app that you can download from the App Store right here, and you can use this app to set up your Canon printer. Now I will make another video showing you step by step on how to set up the Canon printer from the beginning all the way to the end. In this video, just mainly want to show you how you can put the Canon printer into a cableless setup mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.